Do you know that beavers are considered the best engineers in the natural world? These creatures have a remarkable ability to construct massive structures right in the middle of flowing water entirely from scratch. Today, we are going to explore how these small yet industrious animals have earned the title of nature's best engineers and what we can learn from their incredible abilities. Before we delve into the mechanics of how beavers build their structures, it is important to understand the role these animals play in their ecosystems. Beavers are semi-aquatic rodents native to North America and Europe. Known primarily for their dam-building activities, while many animals adapt to their environment, beavers actively shape theirs. By building dams, they create wetlands that provide protection for themselves and numerous other species. Beavers are unique in their ability to manipulate the environment to such an extent. These wetlands, formed as a result of their dam construction, are crucial for biodiversity. They provide habitats for fish, amphibians, birds, and many other species. Moreover, beavers contribute to the health of forests and rivers by slowing down water flow and reducing soil erosion. This not only prevents flooding but also maintains the balance of entire ecosystems. This intricate balance between their activities and the environment sets beavers apart from most other animals. Now, let's examine the engineering marvel that is the beaver dam. When you think of construction, you might imagine blueprints, planning, and materials like concrete and steel. Beavers, however, operate on instinct. Yet what they create is structurally sound and highly effective. The process begins with location selection. Beavers typically build dams in small rivers or streams where the flow of water can be easily managed. The purpose of the dam is to create a pond or a body of still water in which they can construct their homes, called lodges. To start, beavers cut down trees and gather smaller branches. Using their strong, sharp front teeth, they gnaw through tree trunks until they fall. Interestingly, beavers have teeth that never stop growing, which is necessary because the constant gnawing would wear them down otherwise. Once the timber is gathered, they place these logs across the stream in a crisscross pattern. This helps distribute the water's force and creates the base for the dam. But it doesn't stop at simply piling wood. Beavers use a combination of mud, rocks, and vegetation to seal the gaps between the logs, ensuring that water does not flow freely through the dam. This mixture acts like mortar in human construction, binding the materials together. By layering more branches and filling in with additional mud, they create a strong, water-resistant barrier. It's a labor-intensive process that requires precision, but once complete, the dam effectively slows down or stops the flow of water. One fascinating aspect of beaver dams is their ability to withstand varying water pressures. The structure is flexible enough to absorb the force of water without collapsing. This is due to the strategic placement of materials. Thicker logs are used at the base, while lighter branches and smaller debris are placed on top. This gradient in density allows the dam to remain strong even under heavy rainfall or snow melt. The ecological impact of beaver dams cannot be overstated. When beavers create a dam, they are essentially transforming a flowing stream into a pond or wetland. Wetlands are among the most productive ecosystems on the planet. These areas provide habitat for a diverse range of species, from amphibians and insects to fish and birds. Without beaver dams, many of these wetlands would cease to exist. Moreover, the ponds created by beaver dams serve as natural water filtration systems. As water flows through the dam, sediment and pollutants get trapped within the structure. This helps to purify the water and improve its quality downstream. Wetlands also act as sponges, absorbing excess water during heavy rainfall and releasing it slowly over time. This reduces the risk of flooding and helps regulate water levels in surrounding areas. By creating these wetlands, beavers also play a critical role in climate change mitigation. Wetlands are carbon sinks, meaning they store more carbon than they release. This is vital in the fight against global warming, as wetlands help reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Thus, the work of beavers extends far beyond simply providing themselves with shelter and food. They are actively contributing to the stability of the environment. Now let's talk about a real-life example of beaver engineering that has captured the attention of scientists around the world: the world's largest beaver dam. This remarkable structure, located in the Wood Buffalo National Park in Alberta, Canada, measures over 850 meters in length. To put that into perspective, It is more than twice the length of the Hoover Dam. What makes this even more extraordinary is that this dam was not built by a single beaver or even a single family of beavers. It is the result of continuous work by generations of beavers, passing down their skills and adding to the structure over decades. The dam was first discovered in 2007 by scientists who were studying the region through satellite images. It is believed that the dam could be up to 40 years old, with multiple beaver colonies contributing to its construction and maintenance over the years. The sheer size of the dam allows it to create a vast wetland, which provides a sanctuary for countless species. The beavers' consistent effort to maintain and expand the dam demonstrates their remarkable commitment to their habitat. What's also fascinating is the location. The dam is situated in a remote part of the park, far away from human activity. This isolation has allowed the beavers to work without interference, showcasing their natural behavior and engineering capabilities in their purest form. The largest dam continues to be monitored by scientists, and its size and impact continue to grow, making it an ongoing wonder of the natural world. Now, you might wonder why beavers go to such great lengths to build these complex structures. After all, many animals live in burrows or holes in the ground that require far less effort to construct. The answer lies in the beaver's unique survival strategies. First and foremost, dams offer protection. Beavers are prey for several predators, including wolves, bears, and large birds of prey. By building dams and creating ponds, they establish a protective barrier around their lodges. The lodge itself is an impressive structure, usually built in the center of the pond, with underwater entrances. This means that predators have a difficult time accessing the beaver's home, as they would need to swim and dive to reach the entrance. Another critical reason is food storage. Beavers are herbivores, primarily consuming bark, twigs, and aquatic vegetation. In winter, food can become scarce, especially in colder climates where the water freezes. To prepare for this, beavers build food caches in their ponds. These caches consist of branches and twigs that are stored underwater, where they remain accessible even in freezing conditions. By constructing a dam, the beaver ensures that its food supply is secure and that it can access fresh water year-round. Finally, dams provide environmental stability. Living in flowing water poses several challenges. Without a dam, beavers would have to contend with changing water levels, strong currents, and the potential for their homes to be washed away. By creating a calm, stable pond, beavers ensure that they have a safe and controlled environment in which to live and raise their young. The dam serves as a protective buffer against the elements and allows them to thrive even in harsh conditions. In conclusion, beavers are far more than just industrious rodents. They are master engineers whose work benefits not only their species but entire ecosystems. Their ability to build massive, complex structures that shape the environment around them is truly awe-inspiring. From creating wetlands that support biodiversity to preventing floods and purifying water, beavers contribute to the health and stability of our planet in ways that few other animals can. So the next time you come across a beaver dam, take a moment to appreciate the incredible engineering skill behind it. Beavers may be small, but their impact on the natural world is immense, earning them the well-deserved title of nature's best engineers. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the wonders of nature and engineering. Until next time.